Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Kohler Bellera K-560 versus pull-down kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer, 3-spray faucet, vibrant stainless kitchen faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Kohler Bellera K-560 versus pull-down kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer, 3-spray faucet, vibrant stainless kitchen faucet combines an elegant, versatile design with exceptional ergonomics and functionality. The high-arch spout rotates 360 degrees and reaches over the tallest pots, while the compact, 3-function spray head pulls down into the sink for up-close tasks or out of the sink to fill pots. Sweep spray creates a wide, forceful blade of water for superior cleaning. Kohler's new docking system, Docnetic, secures the pull-down spray head to the spout using magnetic force. Here are some general things I can tell you about Kohler faucets. Kohler is a well-respected brand known for its high quality and stylish faucets. Their faucets come in a variety of styles and finishes to match any decor. They offer a wide range of features such as touchless operation, pull-down sprayers, and temperature control. Here are some of the specific features about the Kohler Bellera K-560 versus kitchen faucet. Pull-down kitchen faucet allows you to control water with one hand and reaches beyond the sink to complete other kitchen tasks. 3-function spray head includes stream, boost, and sweep spray technologies. Boost allows you to increase flow rate by 30%. Sweep spray has angled nozzles that create a powerful blade to clean your dishes and sink. Easy install, hose and spray head pre-installed. Comes with flexible supply lines for easy water hookup, 1 or 3 hole installation with escutcheon or deck plate included. Magnetic docking. Docnetic magnetic docking system securely locks the spray head into place. Made to last, ceramic disc valves exceed industry standards of longevity, performance that is made to last the life in your kitchen. Lasting finish. Our premium corrosion and tarnish resistant finishes are made to last. Lifetime limited warranty. Have the confidence in Kohler faucet products knowing they are backed by our lifetime limited warranty. Here are some additional things to consider before purchasing the Kohler Bellera K-560 VS. The faucet is available in a variety of finishes, including polished chrome, brushed nickel, and stainless steel. The faucet has a flow rate of 1.5 gallons per minute GPM. The faucet has a spout reach of 8 inches. The faucet has a height of 14 inches. The faucet is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Kohler Bellera K-560 VS. Pros: sleek, modern design, available in a variety of finishes, WaterSense certified, pull-down sprayer for easy cleaning, high-quality construction, easy to install. Cons: can be expensive. Some users have reported problems with the sprayer, not as durable as some other faucets. Overall, the Kohler Bellera K-560 Versus is a high-quality kitchen faucet with a sleek, modern design. It is WaterSense certified and has a pull-down sprayer for easy cleaning. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if you've already tried the Kohler Bellera K-560 versus kitchen faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading.